Hello, my name is Christopher Jeffries, and I'm a glassblower from Laguna Beach, California. Thank you so much for taking a look at my work. I'm going to show you two different series that I have here. It's called Time Together. I group these pieces using complementary colors, and I typically make them in 3 different heights. It's called Forms in Nature. This series is inspired by natural forms you find in nature that are organic and have movement. I hope to meet you next year at the show. Feel free to check out some of our other work, and please contact us if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day.